Friendship Day is here. So make something handmade for your bestie. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet a beautiful friendship band. It's an easy, beginner friendly pattern. So without further ado, let's get started. All you need is some cotton yarn. So this one was made using weight 3 cotton yarn, and this one was made using weight 2 cotton yarn. You can see the difference in the thickness. So if you use the thicker yarn, this is the size you will be getting, and if you use the thinner yarn, this is the size you will be getting. So with this one, today I am demonstrating weight 2 cotton yarn. With that, I am taking 2.5 millimeter crochet hook, a small hook like this. This is just to insert this pearl in between, and then some pearls like this. And don't forget to keep a scissor handy. We will first start by making a slip knot. Before making a slip knot, leave some length of yarn like this because we will be using the same as a tie. After leaving the length you want, here make a slip knot. So hold your yarn like this, take this end and twist it once, and then fold it. So you can see this is the tail and this is the working yarn. Slowly pull the working yarn outside. So this creates a slip knot. After making a slip knot, pull up a lengthy loop, add your first pearl here, and then lock this pearl. After locking the bead, I am now demonstrating this circle. So this steps remains the same. So watch me carefully. Every circle starts with 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. After making 4 chains, into the 4th chain from the hook. So this is where my hook is. This is the first chain, second chain, third chain, fourth chain. Into the 4th chain, we will make a double crochet. So to make a double crochet, yarn over once, insert your hook in the 4th chain here, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through first 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2. We made 4 chain and 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. And now on this double crochet, we will make a puff stitch. So to make a puff stitch, yarn over once, insert your hook in between these 2. In this gap, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops. Keep the loops as it is. So this is the first time. Again yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Second time, third time, fourth time, and fifth time. So after you yarn over for 5 times, now yarn over and pull through all the loops at once. So this completes 1 puff. And now lock this puff. After making the puff stitch, now on the same 4th chain here. So this is where we made double crochet. In the same 4th chain, again we will make a double crochet. So yarn over once, insert your hook in the same 4th chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2. Now on this double crochet we just made, we will make 6 single crochet. So insert your hook here in this gap, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both the loops. So this is the first single crochet. Similarly, we will make 6 single crochet. Second one, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth. After making 6 single crochet, now slightly pull this yarn. You can see a chain gap here. This is the 4th chain where we made double crochets. So insert your hook there, yarn over and make a slip stitch. And now on this 3 chain gap. So this is the 3 chain we made at the beginning. So on this, as usual, we will make 6 single crochet just like we did this side. So insert your hook between this puff stitch and this 3 chain. So here, insert, yarn over and make your first single crochet. Similarly, second one. After making 6 single crochets, if you hold your work like this, on top of this puff stitch, you can see this chain here. There, make a slip stitch. So insert your hook in that chain, yarn over and make a slip stitch. And now pull up a lengthy loop, add a pearl here and then lock this pearl and again repeat the same steps. Make 4 chain and into the 4th chain make 1 double crochet. On that double crochet make a puff stitch and then make a double crochet on the same 4th chain and then 6 single crochets here and 6 single crochets here. In between we will make a slip stitch. So repeat the same steps again and again. I made 7 circles here. If you want to make the bracelet even lengthier, then you can easily add 1 or 2 extra rounds. It is completely up to you. You can see I repeated the same steps 7 times. And now I made 6 single crochet on this 3 chain. And now as usual, in this chain gap, we will make a slip stitch, add a pearl and lock the bead. And now as usual, leave same length of yarn even this side because we will be using the same for tying. And then cut your yarn. Slowly remove the hook. If you want, you can use single strand as well, or if you want to make your tie a little thicker, then take 2 strands of same length yarn and cut it. Take your hook, insert your hook here and pull 1 loop this side, and then in this side pull another loop. And now we will make a knot here so that everything stays in place. Similarly, insert yarn on both sides and then make a knot this side. So this completes the bracelet. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.